Lightning Sword Dual Pack. Lightning Sword Showdown. It has Ray Striker and Inferno Gasher. So, Ray Striker is an attack type and Inferno Gasher is a balance type. This is the back. So first I'll be opening these. I'll be giving Inferno Gasher to my brother. So okay, I'll open these. Sharpen it. Okay, so here's a black tool. This looks like it's for Ray Striker. This is a black tool. Black ripcord. Here, black ripcord. Oh, this is actually Inferno Gashers. I've just looked at the Facebook. This is right hand light launcher. And these are the stickers. Krishna, you can hold them. Just don't touch the sticker. So, this is Ray Striker's. By the way, Ray Striker is Masamune's Beyblade in the anime. So, here's our green tool. The stuff here that shows how to put the stickers on and instructions and stuff like that. Stickers, there's a lot for Ray Striker. And grayish bluish launcher. And another black ripcord. Now we'll go on to the base. So it's Ray Striker BB71A. No, it's Ray Striker D125CS and Inferno Gasher SW145SF. Oh, wrong side. Open it from here. Okay. I'll move all this stuff to the side. So, here, I'll be assembling Ray Striker first. I'll put the stickers on him later, but for now I'll put the face bolt one and the one for the launcher. Okay. So this is Ray Striker. Hey Krishna, can you check how many minutes are left on the video? Okay. So now I'm assembling Inferno Gasher, which I'll be giving to my brother. Krishna, can you give me your tool? So this is Inferno Gasher and Ray Striker. So now I'll just put the facebolt and launcher stickers on because the other ones take way too much time. So Krishna will put his stickers on. Now I'll be putting my sticker on my launcher. Krishna, if you need help, I'll put it on.
I don't need help.
You don't need help?
No.
Okay.
I did one already. Good straight.
So this is the launcher and this is the bay. I like this Beyblade. It looks really nice. Just to show you, these are the other Beyblades I have. I have Torch Gemios, Capricorn, customized one, and Inferno Bixis. So Krishna, you've gotten your stickers on. Oh, and my brother also has two Beyblades. He has Gravity Destroyer. This is a Metal Masters one. And he doesn't have it right now, but he also has Rock Zarafa. Oh, this is his Rock Zarafa, the painted one. Okay, so me and Krishna will be having a 3-round battle between these Beyblades. Nice. By the way, this is my Max Stampede Stadium. So me and Krishna will be having a battle. So it's Ray Striker versus Inferno Bixis. So round 1. 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Are you? Oh, sorry. I ripped wrong. Okay, let's do that again. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Krishna, you made a launching mistake. Now we have to do round 1 again. Okay, Krishna, get ready. Oh, by the way, these are light launchers. Hurry up. No, you don't put this on yet. You have to put your ripcord on. Okay, good. 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Oh! Winner for first round. He had a huge attack and instantly killed him. So Ray Striker won that battle. The score is now 0-1. Round 2. 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Instant kill again. Ray Striker has a really good attack. I like his fusion wheel. Okay. Round 3. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Krishna, you didn't even rip. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. His Beyblade's pretty big because it's a balanced type. Ray Striker has some good attacks, and it looks like Inferno's losing its balance. And yeah, its spin track was going on the ground, which is why it's not that good of a bay. Spin track is too big. Final round. It's 3-0. It's 3-0. Final round. 3, 2, 1. Let it. And I win again. So a 4-0 clean sweep for Ray Striker, and Ray Striker is the winning bay. So thanks for watching our unboxing.